everybody, welcome to Storytime with Fairfield County Library. My name is Miss Nina and I am so excited for Storytime today. Are you guys ready? Awesome! Alright, this week our theme is trains. That means this week we're going to read all about those big machines that run on rails. Alright, our first book is Chugga-Chugga-Choo-Choo by Kevin Lewis. Pictures by Daniel Kirk and published by Hyperion Books for Children. Sun's up, morning's here, up and at 'em, engineer. Chugga-chugga-choo-choo, whistle blowing, woo, woo. Hurry, hurry, load the freight, to the city, can't be late. Through the country, on the loose, engine black and red caboose. Chugga-chugga-choo-choo, wheels a-turning, woo, woo! Round the mountains, high and steep, through the valleys, low and deep. Into tunnels underground, see the darkness, hear the sound. Chugga-chugga-choo-choo, echo calling, woo, 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 woo. Across the river, swift and wide, a bridge goes to the other side. Chugga-chugga-choo-choo, there's the city. Woo! Woo! In the station, workers wait, ready to unload the freight. Boxcars empty one by one, sun is setting, job well done. Tired, tired, choo-choo, night is falling. Woo, woo. To the roundhouse you are bound, good night engine, safe and sound. Sleepy, sleepy, choo-choo, till tomorrow, woo, woo. Okay, that was Chugga-Chugga-Choo-Choo. What'd you guys think? Can you make a good train noise? Okay, our next book is Freight Train by Donald Cruz, published by Greenwillow Books. A train runs across this track. Red caboose at the back. Orange tank car next. Yellow hopper car. Green cattle car. Blue gondola car. Purple box car. A black tender and a black steam engine. Freight train. Moving. Going through tunnels. Going by cities. Crossing trestles. Moving in darkness, moving in daylight. Going. Gone. Okay, that was Freight Train. What'd you guys think? Did you know all those names for cars on a train? All right, everybody, thank you for coming to Storytime. Now, just because we're done reading does not mean we have to be done with Storytime. At the library, you can pick up something called a Storytime kit, which are these fun-filled activity kits that go with the books we read today. Each kit comes with a coloring sheet, a craft, and a tasty recipe that you can make with your grown-ups. This week, the craft is train shapes. You get to build your own train out of different shapes. To get a kit, you need to come to the Fairfield County Library and look for some crates in the children's section. Now we have 2 crates, one for Monday story times and one for Wednesdays. So you want to make sure to grab the right kits or you can end up with something completely different than what I talked about. The kits for this story time are in the group A crate, the Monday crates. They're the red ones. New kits come out whenever there's a new story time, but we might have some kits left from last week if you missed it. It never hurts to ask one of the librarians to go check. Maybe ask for me, Miss Nina. Okay, everybody, thank you for joining me for story time. It's time to say goodbye, but I look forward to seeing you all next time. And I hope to see you in the library this week to pick up your story time kit. Bye!